Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to activate the container feature in WordPress Elementor. This is an essential step if you want to use Elementor's modern flexbox-based layout system, which gives you far more control and flexibility when designing your pages. Let's walk through how to enable it. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where all your main WordPress options are located. From here, click on Elementor and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main Elementor configuration area where you can control various features and functionalities of the page builder. Now that you're in the Elementor settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. What you want to do next is click on the Features tab. This tab is where Elementor houses all its experimental and advanced features that you can toggle on or off depending on your design needs. The Features section is regularly updated with new capabilities, so it's worth checking back here occasionally to see what's new. Once you're in the Features tab, scroll down through the list of available options until you find Container. This is the feature we're looking for. The container structure is Elementor's newer approach to building layouts, replacing the traditional section and column setup with a more streamlined and powerful system. When you locate Container, you'll see a toggle or drop-down next to it. Go ahead and select Activate. This action enables the container feature across your entire Elementor installation. Here's an important step that's easy to overlook. After activating Container, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This finalizes your settings and ensures that the container feature is properly activated and ready to use. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and you'll still be working with the old layout system. And that's it. You've successfully activated the container feature in WordPress Elementor, giving you access to a more modern and flexible way to build your website layouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.